Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Flagstaff local and long-distance movers near me. For the best Flagstaff moving company and surrounding areas, look no further. 3 Movers is the right choice for you, whether you are planning a long-distance or a local move. We work with private customers as well as businesses, ensuring that their belongings arrive at their destination unharmed and on time. Moving interstate or long distance requires plenty of preparations and a good logistics plan, especially if you have a lot of stuff to transport and deliver to the new address. You will need to pack everything properly and load your items in a suitable vehicle, drive a long way, and, once you're there, unload and unpack everything. Does this sound overwhelming? When you change residency or move your business, you have plenty of other stuff to do, like dealing with paperwork, schools, and the new job. Leave the moving to our professional movers. 3 Movers is one of the most reputable Flagstaff moving companies, and our decades of experience enable us to do any move quickly and efficiently. Do you need to move locally? This doesn't mean that it will all be simple. You still need to deal with the logistics and preparations, even if the mileage is significantly lower. Our local Flagstaff movers can move your belongings in a matter of hours, door to door, and if you prefer not lifting a finger, we offer full-service moving. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Flagstaff moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.